How to get rid of cracked heels using candle miracle treatment at home. Step 1. Warm water treatment. In a tub, take lukewarm water. Add baking soda and salt. Make a homogeneous mixture. Soak your feet in the water for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, pat dry your feet and rub it gently with pumice stone to remove dead skin layer. Step 2. Scrub the feet. In a bowl, take 2 spoon oil and add 1 spoon sugar. Rub your feet and heels gently with this for 5 minutes. Wash them with plain water. Step 3. Moisturize with candle oil. In a steep bowl, take 2 spoon oil, add a small piece of candle. Put this in hot water so it will melt. Now let it cool. Your foot cream is ready. Apply this cream all over your feet bottom. Cover them with socks.